Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team here in Naples, West Florida, and today I'm at another new listing that we're bringing to the marketplace. 4-bedroom house with a metal roof, shop, pool, on acreage, nice and private, here in Naples, West Florida. And the easiest way to get all the information on this particular one is text HT 213 to 239 360 5527. Our contact information is there if you want to call or email or whatever. And again, it's Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, exp Realty. This home, it's we've got a 3D virtual tour, and we'll send you all of that along with floor plans and everything else. Alrighty, well, we'll chat to you soon, and reach out. This is one of a number of listings that we have in the area, and at the moment we've got a lot of people wanting to move here from other parts of the United States. So reach out. We help sellers, we help buyers. Alrighty, chat soon, and bye for now.